What's going on YouTube? Hitamek making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we will be looking at BitTube and basically a walkthrough to BitTube and how to make money on it. It's a pretty cool website. I wanted to bring it to your guys' attention and how to use it, as well as how to make money on it. So it's really cool. We're going to get into that. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications. We're doing a giveaway at 5,000 subscribers on YouTube. Haven't even jumped into BitTube yet. We don't have that many subscribers, but link will be in the description if you want to check it out. Otherwise, this is the page. It's BitTube dashboard. It's bit.tube.com. If you just search bit.tube on Google, this will come up. And basically, I'm already logged into my account and it's pretty new, but I did want to show you guys basically how this thing is. So basically, this is like a platform where you basically make money from watching videos as well as uploading videos and having people watch your videos. So it's really cool. Unlike YouTube, which demands that you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watched on your channel before you can make money, BitTube allows you to make money the second you get an account. So you could literally be making money with 0 subscribers. It's pretty awesome. Obviously, they both work on views and you get paid in TubeCoin, which is really cool. So basically, this is the platform. This is the beginning. This little logo right here is my channel, which I can show you guys in a second, and then we'll look through all of these. So basically, just to click on Crypto TV Official, this will bring me to my channel, and you guys will see basically the back end of my channel. As I scroll down, you can see all the videos I've uploaded right here, and obviously some do better than others. There's a pretty cool way to basically, if you already have a YouTube channel, you can practically upload and import all your videos straight from YouTube. One thing I noticed is that you end up getting practically no views on the ones that are imported. As you can see, these are 0. These are all imported from YouTube, and they have some of them 0 imports, 0 views. The ones with views, I actually manually updated. So that's something to pay attention to when you're getting involved with BitTube. I'd recommend just you import the ones of most importance. And then ones that you don't really care about, import directly from YouTube. But you can see the ones with a decent amount of views have been directly imported off my computer. So that's one thing to pay attention to. These over here. Otherwise, one thing I want to show you guys is you get a notification bar up here, and this shows you every comment, every subscriber, and every like on your page. So that's really cool. So shout out to John Russo for subscribing to the channel. Otherwise, this is the home. So if you click home, it brings you right here. And this is all, I guess, related content to what I do. I guess it knows SEO, search engine optimization, and knows what I like to watch. So that's why it's here. You have trending, which basically shows you the most amount, I'm assuming the most amount of views in recent times. One thing to note is like there's really not many views, and I've had much more views on my YouTube channel. So that kind of tells you how new this platform is. 2,002, 30,000, 1,000, 1,600, 15, 15, 38. The biggest one is 8,294. That's the one that I've noticed. Otherwise, I haven't really seen anything in the 10K yet. So that tells you it's practically very new. Scroll down, you literally have a newcomers. So this is basically the people who just subscribed or made an account, and this is their most recent videos. As you guys can see, there's practically nothing on any of their videos, so it's basically a new intro to it. You have a live, so basically as I can live stream on YouTube, you can also live stream on BitTube and get paid. You have categories, you have subscription, so basically it's who you are subscribed to. You have upload media, broadcast, my wallet, and start mining. So I'm going to click on upload media just to show you guys what the two options are. You have an upload media file, you have connect to YouTube. You can click connect now, walk you through the steps, and you can basically import all of your YouTube videos that you'd like, which is really cool. Keep in mind what I said, it does seem to give you less views, which I noticed. You also have upload media files. You basically click upload now, click on your video, click on your thumbnail, blah. Super easy if you want to get into that. You have broadcast and then my wallet. So basically how this works is it tells you how much money you make. And I noticed you get paid out weekly, but it's not like YouTube where it's monthly and whatever you accumulate within the month, you'll get paid out on one lump sum at the end of the month. How BitTube works is it pays you out every 7 days. So whatever you made on Monday, you'll get paid out next Monday. Whatever you made on Tuesday, you'll get it paid out next Tuesday. Wednesday, next Wednesday. Thursday, next Thursday. You guys get the rhythm. I noticed the wallet is syncing. This kind of takes a little bit of time, but I do want to show you that it does work if it eventually loads. And then I want to show you guys the last thing, which is how to check how much you actually make in real time. So I'm just going to cut this out so that we can see it a lot quicker. But let's just let that load. And I just want to show you guys, if you type in bit.tube blockchain on Google, you'll be brought up this website, and as you can see, we have Blockchain Support Explorer and Airtime Explorer. So this is basically showing you all the transactions within the blockchain, and then Airtime is all the people who have accounts on bit.tube, and basically all the money that they make within a certain time period. So I'm just going to click on Airtime Explorer and bring you to basically my channel and show you guys how much my channel is generating. And now keep in mind, this is a decentralized platform, so basically all the information and everything on the blockchain, all your usernames, they're all public. Everybody can see them, anybody can see them. So it's one thing you want to keep in mind. Obviously this is taking quite longer than I anticipated to load, but whichever one loads first we'll get involved in. All right, so this bit.tube just loaded up the Airtime. As you guys can see, these are all the usernames of people who are on bit.tube. You can obviously just search them. It shows you basically the time, so from the 21st to the 8th of, I think, September. So August to September, about 2 weeks, 3 weeks, give or take. You guys can see this is how much they've made. So Mind Your Biz has made 25,000 tubes in 225 days. In around 3 weeks, and his total airtime, so how many videos people have watched and how many videos he has watched combined, he's pretty much accumulated 225 days of watch time. Now this can be they either streaming music, uploading music that people are just watching over and over again, but it's pretty cool how much they've accumulated, and it's a lot. You know, people have accumulated thousands. But basically, if you just type in mine and you search it, mine pops up right here. And as you guys can see, is today the 8th? No, today is the 10th. So I'm just going to switch this. It's that simple. You click 10th, but we'll bring it to the 11th so we can get a better view. You click filter, it appears. And as you guys can see, my channel is Crypto TV Official. You can see my wallet, and then you have total videos. Total is 30, and then it says total airtime. And this is basically the total videos I've made money off of, is 20 hours total, and that has accumulated 50 tube coins. And then we can do the calculation and see how many how much money that actually is. And then you can also see Crypto TV. This is viewers, so this is what I've watched. You know, so how long I've been watching. I've been watching only for 3 minutes, a little over 3 minutes, closer to 4 minutes, and that's accumulated 0.09 of a tube. So it's pretty interesting. We can just really quick go onto CoinMarketCap and search the tube coin and see just how much that is worth. So if you just click in the search box, tube, BitTube pops up, and you guys can see that the current price is actually 6 cents. So I've noticed that it's been going up in value quite a bit. So I definitely think you should jump on this pretty soon. Another thing to point out is the circulating supply, and the total supply is only 88 million coins. So that's very, very, very small, and they're pretty much all in circulation. So it's only a matter of time that these can only go up as the popularity within Tube gets stronger. But if you just do the calculation, 0.062944, and then you go to my airtime, which let's just say 50 coins total with the 49 plus this one right here, and you do times 50, that is a total amount of $3.14. And I know that's very, very, very low, but honestly, for just starting this and just re-uploading my YouTube videos to BitTube, it's actually profitable and making me money with literally like 70 subscribers. So it's pretty awesome. I'm surprised that's still loading, but let's just do the calculation on a bigger scale and see how much money these really big guys are making. So if each coin, so Mind Your Biz has 22,981 coins. And if we multiply that by 6 cents, that means he's literally made $1,378 off of, in like 3 weeks, off of BitTube, which is absolutely phenomenal. $1,300 added in less than a freaking month is really, really, really good. Now, I'm not sure what exactly Mind Your Biz does, but he seems to be profiting quite well. And unfortunately, the wallet exactly isn't loading up, but it's very simple. It just basically direct deposits it into your wallet. Then you can transfer it to an exchange, turn that into Bitcoin, sell it for cash, and you're golden. But otherwise, that's going to sum up the episode for today. Hopefully that clarifies things. I know a few of you guys have been asking what BitTube was, and otherwise, I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.